Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and updates option. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options, the 3-key navigation and the gestures. Before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to share with you that here you can also customize the 3-key navigation. So just tap on the settings, and as you can see you can reorder the buttons and add an additional toggle. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, simply tap on this option. And of course, if you want to, you can go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it because I already know how to use them, so I will explain everything. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got actually nothing. So we do not have any navigation keys, and basically we will navigate through the gestures. We can always enter the settings if you want to. Usually the navigation bar will be shown, so this option will be turned on and you will have this line. As you can see, you can turn it off, you can hide it, you can also decide whether you want to slide across bottom to switch apps and manage the Google Assistant. It's up to you. Right here we've got also the animation of how to use the gestures. Alright, so now let me quickly go through the available gestures here. So if you want to go back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center, from the left or from the right side. As you can see, you cannot okay, got it. You cannot hold your finger for too long because you will open this bar with options. However, whenever you will see this arrow, just release the finger and you will go back. As I said, from the right side, it also works. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it fastly. It should be a short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply elongate this gesture. So from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.